Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're heading to Asda, and yes, I need some essentials, but it's always good to check out the plants while we're there. Now they've actually got some Acer palmatum, so some Japanese maples, which are an absolutely amazing price. Now we're going to see a big influx now through the stores and in the garden centres, so it's really a case of what sort of price range suits you versus quality, obviously. So as always, I'm going to talk you through it. I'm going to talk you through my thoughts, what needs what. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Jumping right into the good stuff then. These are the Acer palmatums. These are the larger ones of the two, and these are just £10. I do feel like these are actually a really good price. Now, a lot of people are put off by buying from sort of supermarkets and superstores, but let me just tell you, on delivery day, they're exactly the same as some of the nurseries. They use the same suppliers. It's just the aftercare that actually makes a little bit of a difference when it comes to nurseries and garden centres. So they've got a few different varieties just here. I love this feather-leafed Acer. It's absolutely beautiful. And the traditional reds are also good. In my front garden, I have got the pinky sort of yellow variety, and it looks absolutely amazing in a shady spot. Now these ones are £5. They're obviously a lot smaller, but they cater for pretty much every budget. So these are an acidic loving plant, which means they require an ericaceous compost if you put it in a pot. If it's going into the ground, I wouldn't worry too much about what sort of soil type you have. They tend to sort of get on with it. As the leaves drop down over time, because they are deciduous and non-evergreen, it kind of puts the acidicness back into the soil off the leaves, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. Moving on to these beautiful Senettis then for £5. Now, B&M do have these in stock for £5, but not this size. The colours are absolutely beautiful, so the value for money when it comes to a £5 plant are actually really good. It's worth mentioning though, these do need protecting from frosts. The colours are beautiful, but you won't have them for long with the weather that we're having at the moment, right? So we've had a couple of frosts here in Staffordshire. It's worth mentioning this is at a Cheadle store near Stoke-on-Trent. But I do believe it's kind of nationwide, so hopefully you guys can get your hands on them. Couple of things you can do. You can sort of bring them in at night, put them out in the day. That's one way you can do it. Or you can just keep deadheading them. But it's not good that the frost go on the plant in general, so need a little bit of protection. But I'm not saying don't buy it. I'm just saying bear that in mind before you purchase it. But some of the colours are absolutely fantastic. And for £5, I feel they're really good. Really good tip though with stores. Get there early. Have it in the first few days. So these great things are 3 for £5. And they're in the climbing collection. So we've got lots of different varieties of clematis. We've got passion flowers, lonicera, which is the Latin for honeysuckles, and all the growth on these are absolutely lovely. I would harden them off though as you put them out into your garden. So we have some jasmines there, some honeysuckles just here. They have that lovely yellow. I actually wouldn't mind adding one of the yellow variety to my garden. Now passion flowers, also known as the passiflora for the Latin, I don't do very well with. I've had a few over the years and I've never managed to keep them here in Staffordshire as they're not really that hardy. So moving on to the 3 for £5 perennials. These are fantastic. I went ahead and bought a couple of 3 last year, and every single plant's come back for me. So I think last year I bought campanula, foxglove and lupins. And with my beer traps, so I put beer next to them in a little pot and it catches the slugs. I think they've all come back this year and they're all doing amazing. It's worth mentioning, these are a decent quality, and for 3 for £5, I think are really good value. I know money's precious, right? Money's tight at the moment with everything going up, but for £5, I think you get quite a lot for your money. And as gardeners, we have to be patient anyway. So buying small, there's a saying, buying small grows tall. So little ditty for you there. So these lovely things, violas, these are very hardy. These can go out now and they'll give you no issues at all. It's worth mentioning that pansies and violas, so these are all 3 for £5 in a mix and match These are actually edible flower, so you can put these on top of cakes. You can put them in cocktails. You can actually freeze them in ice, just if you want to be a little bit fancy. So these Bidens, they're not frost hardy, so these will need protecting from frost, and also these beautiful dahlias are also not frost hardy. It's worth mentioning, if you want the big cut flowers out of dahlias, then these aren't for you. These are strictly bedding, which means they'll only stay small. They'll never give you a large stalk for cut flowers. So moving on, we've got the pansies. You can see the difference. The pansies have a bigger sort of flower on, and I don't feel like they're quite as tough, because what happens is when it gets really wet, they can sort of drop down, and these are all in like a 1 litre pot, as you can see just there. So actually my choice would be the viola. Last but not least, the marigold. This is an edible flower, but again, it needs protecting from frost. And there we have it. As always, I've been really sensible with my spending. I think I've got issues, to be fair. But if you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out, and drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. There'll actually be an in-depth care guide for these Acer palmatums coming up in the next couple of days, so be sure to be subscribed so you can check that video out also. But until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.